Hello guys, this is Doc Franklin once again. So I will gonna show you now with this new customer of my company, Freeway. So this unit is Freightliner 2019 model. With 250,000 kilometers. So there is complaint with this fuel leaking of injector lines, high pressure line. So I will gonna discuss to you what happened if there is leaking on the injector lines of this unit. So this engine is Detroit engine. So most common on this unit, even the engine is still brand new and the unit is still brand new, but there is most common problem of the fuel leaking on the high pressure rail going to the injectors. So I will gonna show you where's the location, and it's really easy job to replace this one. And even you are the owner operator or the driver can do this job on your own. So it's just only very simple tools to use, but sometimes other people are scared because it's part of the engine, but don't worry, it's no have special tools on this job, just only open wrench, and you can use also stubby wrench, and also a 10 millimeter socket with 3/4, or you can use also quarter socket with extension on this job. So I'm gonna show you a couple minutes on where the location on this leaking. So most common problem on this engine is there is always leaking on the fuel rail on this one. So the leaking is on this one, on number 4, and there's also leaking on number 2. So we're gonna replace this one. Number 2 and number 4. So I will show you later when the parts arrive. So before we start this job, we need to gather the tools that we need. We are leading on this job. So we need also 3/4 combination wrench. There's also stubby wrench, 70 combination wrench, 10 millimeter socket, and also the handle, and also the glue gun.
Gonna remove now the number 2 injector. So just open this one, this bolt, and this one. So I already loosened these 2 bolts. You know, remove like this. This one. So now it's open. So just be careful. It's this is number 2, number 3, but this is not the same position. So you need to be very careful and down the IP number.
Well, I already installed the new injector lines, so it's very straightforward to install these two lines. So before you're gonna start this engine, you need to be pressurize first the fuel system so that no air locking the system. So you need to pump this one and start the truck.
So now I already start the truck because I already installed the two injector lines. So I need to start the truck now. So now I can start the truck. Truck is starting now, so I need to check and if no leaking on that two injector lines that I already installed.